Okay friends, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Neely and I am now a student teacher in kindergarten. If you don't already subscribe, make sure that you do so that you do not miss any future videos. But today I am going to be taking you guys through a little behind the scenes prep for back to school. Tomorrow is actually my first day of school, so today is going to be devoted to getting everything ready and prepped. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. Alright, let's chat outfits real quick. Here's my closet. It is kind of a hot mess. But I'm going to try and figure out what I'm going to wear for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday so that I'm not stressing about it. So I'm going to try and figure out that now. Debating on what to wear tomorrow for the first day. I feel like that's just such a special day. These are all of my dresses up here in like cardigans and stuff like that. And then these are all of my shirts down here. And then like t-shirts, pants and all that stuff, and then my shoes. So let's go ahead and try and figure out what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. So I have this dress. It is from Walmart actually. I really like this dress a lot. It's super comfortable, so this may be an option for this week, maybe tomorrow, I don't know, but probably one day this week I will wear this dress. It was so affordable. Honestly, it was like $15 I think, so I really like it a lot. Alright, day number 2, outfit number 2. I'm prepping for the 3 days that I'm going to be there, so this is what I'm going to wear probably on Tuesday. It is this little like yellow mustard cardigan. It is off jane.com, so it's probably not on there anymore. This dress here is like a black and white striped dress, and it is from Old Navy. I love doing this with my dresses, so I just pin it up at the bottom and just tie it at the bottom, and I just love it. It's my favorite kind of style to wear the dresses. So this is probably what I'm going to wear on Tuesday. Dresses are my favorite, and they're so comfortable and just easy to get around in, so this is probably going to be my Tuesday outfit. If you aren't paying attention to me, you probably see my dog playing with my pillow, chewing at it. But anyways, let's go ahead and pick out one more outfit for Wednesday. First, I would like to point out that my bed was made, but now it's all messed up because my dog was going around in it. So, there she is over there in the corner. This is going to be what I'm going to wear probably on Wednesday, Tuesday or Wednesday, whichever one I feel like. But this dress right here is from Hamricks. I don't really know if that's like all around the country store, but it's local to us. Anyways, this dress was $20 and super cute and dress length appropriate. That is one of the hardest things about finding dresses to wear to school, to work, because most dresses hit like right about here, and that's just not flexible with kindergartners, and it doesn't meet dress code. So I have to be very careful about what I'm wearing to school and work to make sure that I'm meeting those dress code guidelines. So always make sure when you're picking out outfits that they are flexible and functional. One, that they're flexible for you to get up and get down in, to work with students, to get in your desk, get up and walk around. 2, functional, that they are not going to get in the way, that your outfits are going to allow you to teach to your best effectiveness. So just always make sure that your outfits are comfortable for you. That is why I wear dresses most days, because they're comfortable for me and they're just functional and flexible. So to help me stay in order of when I'm going to wear these outfits, this is probably going to be Wednesdays. Then I have Tuesday's dress and little sweater. Then I have tomorrow's outfit, so we are all ready to go. I did a little quick outfit change, got into some comfy clothes to go around the house in. I'm going to go ahead and start prepping my meals for the week. So let's go ahead into the kitchen to go ahead and start prepping my meals. I'll show you guys what I'm up to. I wanted
wanted to quickly discuss my lunchbox that I just recently got off of Amazon. It was originally $20, and the day that I got it, it was on a lightning deal, so I got it for $11. I love cheetah print, and it has this little pouch in the front. You unzip it, and there's another pouch inside of it, and then there's plenty of room. It is going to be perfect to carry with. The handles are very durable, and I'm excited to use it this year in the classroom. Meal prep was officially done. I have prepped spaghetti for the entire week, and now I am ready for back to school.
So the other day when I mentioned that I needed to go pick a few last things up for my preschool, this was one of them. This was from Target last year, I think. It's just so